Hi everyone, let's analyze Xplio Solutions. It's a IT company. So what do we have here? If you see, this stock made a great comeback from the COVID lows, March 20 crash, and it's up 400%. So the 200-day is trending upwards, 50 has started trending upwards. 50 was trending sideways up until here, after which it you know, sort of went up and the trend has changed. So what got me interested? So I was following the stock. I was tracking it. If you see, it was basically, sort of consolidating within a 30% range. And I was hoping that this stock sort of, forms a sideways consolidation, a narrow range, and it breaks out from there, and we can initiate a position. So that did not happen. It just went up very quickly and it reached its, you know, base. So reached the top of the base. So then I had to wait for it to pull back. And when it started turning around, so I was adding above this area. So so when it sort of touched 50 and it has started turning around, this is the area I started buying in. This just the second, guys. This is the area I was buying in. Post which I have also added position over here, and then I was waiting. I was very happy. The stock quickly went up and then sort of consolidated, and now it's coming back in. It's pretty all right. It's a micro cap company. It's going to be a little volatile. So now the interesting thing, what is good thing is that the 50 has started trending upward. So my guess is that it pulls back to the 50 and then it turns around from here. That is one. So my average is somewhere around 575, 580, and that is pretty close to the 500-day, 50-day moving average. So what am I looking for and why the video now? So this is a great pullback trade opportunity for the next few days. If the stock sort of consolidates here and it turns around, I'll be adding more to my position. When we look at the monthly chart for this stock, it is it's far away from its all-time high. However, if you see that, if you look at this particular range, don't look at this, look at this. This is the area where it was consolidating in, and then it broke down from here, and this is precisely the area where it is facing selling pressure. So my guess, it's a calculated bet that while the stock is consolidating, people must have bought and they all got caught up in this downside slide. So now when the stock has reached this area, it is feeling the selling pressure. So that's a calculated guess. Now see, this bar, most of these bars, they went up and it closed down. However, if you look at this, we'll just switch to weekly chart. So on the weekly, the down weeks were on very high volume, but then it subsided, and then the basically the down weeks started happening on very low volume, barring this week, and the up weeks are on very high volume. So the stock has broken out, it's pulling back in. That's pretty good. On a weekly basis, this looks like a very good setup. What could be the target in this one? So if we look at the weekly, you know, the moment it sort of breaks above this area, so if you see, it got listed around this area, and then it popped up and then it quickly broke down. So this area is where, if it starts trading above this, we can see a meaningful up move, above this area. See this here also. If you look closely, here also there is some sort of consolidation. If you look at this area, there is a consolidation and then it broke down. And see how it went back into that zone and it broke down. So whenever there is a sideways consolidation, there is some form of buying happening, and then these people get caught up. Basically, they are trapped. So whenever you see the stock pulling back, they would be wanting to get out. So this is in 17, now it's 21, 4 years. So very highly likely that selling pressure will be felt over here. However, above this area, we can expect this stock to you know reach these levels, 50% or so. We can expect the stock to reach those levels. Let's do a quick fundamental check. 624 crores, business of software testing services, micro cap company. Promoter is holding decent amount of stake, good amount of cash flow, no loans, very good. If you see, sales have been rising meaningfully, margins have increased, and profits have also been rising in a good fashion. Profit is up 10 crores from last year, which is around 25% up. And quarter on quarter, the results are not that great. However, trailing results are great. March 21 results are good. So year on year results are good. This is one quarter anomaly. Also the reason why the stock corrected a bit. However, I believe that this correction will be short-lived. Very highly likely it will be short-lived, and then the stock will turn around. In the event of a situation wherein the stock does not behave well and it starts falling down, so where is going to be my stop loss? So my average is around 580, 575, 580. I don't remember it very clearly. My stop loss is around 14, 15%. And if it starts trading below the 50-day average, below the 200-day average for 2 3 weeks, I'll be out. What you have to understand that the stock will not just go well below these levels and start trading below these levels. There has to be some news, some bad news, of course, some meaningful correction in the general market for that to happen. So we will have ample amount of time to take a decision and to move out, uh, and not get caught up on the wrong side of the trade. There is always a risk in every trade. Without the risk, there is no reward. But you need to understand what sort of risks are there in a trade and what can go wrong. As of now, it looks very good. Once this is turning around from here, I'll be adding to my position. Thanks a lot, guys.